One of the main features that makes Honk so special is the ability to lip sync the avatar's mouth to your own without needing a camera to visually track. It does this by interpreting the sound that you make and pulling up the layer that we assign. It may be intimidating if I say we're going to animate the mouth, but if we break it down, it's actually very simple. Honk features 14 separate sounds that we can animate to, as we see here, but we probably won't need that many. You can always try adding all of the different mouth shapes later, but I find that it can get a little overwhelming with how quickly Honk will be switching. If you're creating your avatar in a certain style, try to get reference that you can use in that style to help you. Cartoonish mouths are going to be very different from anime mouths, so do your research. If animating mouths is something that intimidates you, start with more neutral expressions before trying something more emotive. Generally, I find that Honk benefits best from having at least 8 layers. The default mouth, a slightly altered version of the default mouth for P or B sounds, an open mouth with top teeth, an open mouth with teeth clenched, a mouth making an L shape, a mouth making an F shape, and a mouth making an O or U shape. You can add more for accuracy, but we will start here. Also consider adding an extra layer for the inside of the mouth to help create depth. If you're using Clip Studio Paint, I recommend opening up the timeline below and setting up the layers to animate to check accuracy. It will take time and tweaking before it looks the way you want it to, so be patient and keep trying. After we have our basic 8 mouth layers, we will need to assign them in Honk. Here, we will select the mouth layer and click Edit Sprite. From here, we need to assign each mouth to the correct sound. We can also assign the eye blinking animation here. If we need to hide something on blink or sound, we can assign invisible instead. If you're having issues with detection, be sure to check which mic you have selected. You can also change how sensitive your mic is to detecting sound in the bottom left. Honk features 8 emote slots for alternate expressions, outfits, accessories, settings, and whatever else you could want. On the left, we are able to disable or re-enable the layers for each emote slot. We also have the ability to assign what hotkeys we can use to swap emotes on the fly. In the final part of the tutorial, we will discuss chroma keying in OBS.